Guys, welcome to my crochet series. This is the craft from tote editions. I'm gonna be giving you a detailed tour of my craft room and just telling you guys where I got some of the things that I have in my craft room from. So I have the first section here, which is, I call it the cozy section. So when you first walk into the craft room, you get to the section where I have my printing section. It has the Cricut machine. I have two. This actually got smaller for me and I decided to get a bigger one. I have my gender spreader, thermal printer, amazing. I have my little tiny speaker right here, and I have my way and just my vinyl paper. I got this, what do they call it? This card from Cricut. So basically it's like an organization card, which is amazing. And over here I designed this. It's called string art, where I used my hair to just design this piece here. And then we move over here. I have my display shelf, and it's all set as a storage. So let's get into it and see what we have inside of it. Yeah, so this is where I used to organize my hair, and I have some of the bags that I designed just like a display. I had to put in this two things here so they hold the bag so they don't fall out whenever I open the shelf. And I have more bags over here. That's the kind of first section. And over here it has 3 drawers, which serves as storage. I have more here. I have basically where I have my craft tools and my personal iron. Yeah, this is not the most organized way. It just keeps all of those things together. Yeah, the second drawer, and this is where I have like my filming equipment and things like that, whenever I want to shoot a video and things like that. Now let's go to my favorite part of my craft room, the cozy corner. As I have my picture over there, I crochet sometimes there and just relax. And on top of it, I have another piece that I created from crochet, a crochet file, which is also I created this thing a few years ago. And we come over to the second section. This is my desk setup where I have my laptop. I do have my Android tablet right here. I got this yesterday from TikTok shop, and it comes with a mouse. It comes with this Bluetooth cable. It's real very cute. And I do have my laptop where I do my designs. I got this night lamp or table lamp, I think from the thrift store. And I have this piece again that I did from the string art, and it says "Stay life, one seat at a time." And over here we have it's like a storeroom where I keep like my supplies and all of these things, but we're not getting in there because this is a mess right now. And I got this cute ding dang light. Whenever I want to just relax and have a cozy vibe, I turn off the overhead lights and I just use that. I thrifted that. And right here I have this mini fan because it could get hot. This is actually my sunroom that I had to change to my office space, so it's pretty hot sometimes. So I have the fan. I have a utility cart where I do have like my tissue packing papers. I have more packing tools and things like that. So just like keep random things that I use on a regular. Now the last section is my shipping station. So most times I ship packing videos here. I do pack orders here sometimes. And today I do have some of the reason why I have all of these things right here is because I do have a Palm Street live market in a few hours, and these are what I'm going to be selling. Every time I do a market, I come up with new designs, which could be very hectic. And I decided to get some keychain accessories that I'll be selling too. These are really cute. I have some that are plants, you know, just like different designs. I'm really excited about these. And some of my bags that I designed. My bags is not just for the aesthetics. I make sure that they come with like messages, read a positive message. I have grateful heart, I have I'm a woman, I have girl with grays, and this is just basically grit. And I have this aloe plant that says thrive. Also this, my favorite, one of my favorite, it says crochet galley. Yes, we are crochet galleys. Yeah. And I have these. This speaks to mothers, motherhood. It's really good. I do have my pack station, which it is cute and also functional. I have all of my hooks right here, my crochet hooks and pliers and just like random things. I have more tissue papers. I have the tape, the thank you tape. I got this really cute thank you card from Amazon, like the cutest, and it just have like a message at the back too. For my customers, I have this cloth. Most of the things that I basically buy are from Amazon, like my business essential. I get them from Amazon. Yeah, guys, that's about it for my tour. I'm gonna be coming up with new videos. Just let me know what kind of videos you like to see. Please subscribe to follow me on this crochet journey. See you next time. Bye.